It's Ojo Aiku, the day that we don't die, right? And the Christian, by mistake, choose Ojo Isemi. Mistake, because they didn't know that Imi is the mother of Eshu.
Seriously.
Imi. When Eshu went on a journey, right? In the Western world, they will be calling Eshu devil now because that's what they wrote in the Yoruba Bible, but it was wrongly used because they didn't have no other correlative name to choose. So I'm not going to blame anybody for using it. You know, I'll just try to correct people and say, this is how it's supposed to be. All right. Imi is Eshu's mother. And Imi, Eshu went on a journey, a long journey. But by the time he came on a Sunday. He came back on a Sunday, and by the time he came, his mother was already buried. His mother, Imi, was buried on Sunday, and they called that day Ojo Isin. Imi.
The day Simi was buried.
The day Imi was buried in town.
Not the rest.
Not, yeah.
Wow.
Not the rest day. They think it's a semi, right?
Simi rests. And,
Yeah.
Yes.
Ajayi crowd that got you there. Got you real good.
Ojo Isemi.
Yes.
Ojo.
Isin means to bury.
Oh, Isin is to
Isin.
bury.
Yeah.
Isin, to sing.
Bury.
Sing is to bury.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Sing, neutral, to bury. Sing. Worship.
Sing.
Or to be there like a shepherd keeping the flock.
Yeah, but also, I mean, when you see me, that means you've gone to rest, so it still kind of relate to each other. When you
Yeah, it relates to it.
So basically, you know.
Yeah, you could look
Okay,
at it
so
that
made to
way.
rest.
Right. Okay.
Yes, it makes sense. But that's an afterthought. It's an afterthought, but it makes sense too.
Right.
We could use it, especially those in the Western world and who are Christians.
Christian feels
Yeah, to feel comfortable
right.
with it.
Yeah, you can still use it.
But
I
that
think
is
he
the
was
real
born on
meaning.
Sunday too.
All right, because you know, if you want to debate it, and if you want to say which one comes before which one, the Yoruba one should come before anyone, because before the advent of Christianity in Africa,
Right.
we already had that name, Isemi, right? So Ojo Isemi, Sunday, Monday.
Okay.
Very good. Ojo Aje. Aje.
Trade.
Well, or okay.
I already told you last week. If you
Right,
forget,
yeah. Well,
I don't think we look at
Aje,
that. Prosperity.
the Orisha of prosperity, right? What are the symbols of Orisha for prosperity? The symbols of Aje. Cowrie shells.
oh, okay.
The bigger shells, the one that they use to blow horn, right? Oyster shells, right? Those are the children of Aje, minus 20, right? So, Aje is related to Orisha Aje, that helps you. You see some women, they put ceramic stuff in their shops. So they put some Aje cowrie shells, the bigger shells, in their shop to attract, right? They don't have to touch it and start to do some ritual stuff on it. They just put it there to attract customers, right? And then when people talk to them, they say, Shaje nwa. She aje nwa. Remember the one? Come. She aje Nwa is Ajay coming. Is Ajay coming? Prosperity, right? Wealth, money. All right? Ọjọ́ Tuesday day, ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun, Tuesday day of victory.
Yeah, Tuesday? Oh, wow.
So you wanted to change your days, huh? Day of victory. Yeah, the day that you send prayers to God, your maker, your creator, and say, oh God, save me. All these people who have been doing me this and that and that and that, oh God, help me deal with them. Right? Or protect me against them. Protect me against my enemies. On Tuesday, the day of victory. Right? Ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. That's simple, right? There are some orishas connected to that. They said we should stop using word deity because it doesn't really relate to them, right? Ìṣẹ́gun, day of victory. Then we come to Wednesday. Yes.
Which Orisha are connected to Tuesday?
There are many of them, not one. But I can't give them on top of my head right now.
No, she has to sign up for the Orisha
For the
class.
Orisha class,
Yeah.
that's good.
Oh, there is a Yusha class.
Yeah,
Then later on,
later
we
on
do
we'll
that.
start that.
So
Without
that you
going
can,
through.
because this is
No,
what
that's
happens. You
true.
see, as I'm explaining this to you now, then it starts getting clearer. You start seeing that, oh, that is the reason why this is. Just know it inside of yourself, right? Now, if people start asking you, do you know the meaning of this? When you tell them this, they start looking at you like, wow, and they start giving you kudos, right? Because, you know, in the beginning, we to have in the beginning, Yoruba to have in the beginning, this is what happened in the beginning. What is in the beginning in Yoruba? We didn't even take a break, huh?
It's almost time to leave.
Also, we're almost time to leave, and we have not even started
15
nothing.
minutes.
Okay. Ní àtètè kọ́ṣe, ní àtètè kọ́ṣe, àtètè kọ́ṣe. Genesis. The beginning.
So, but
Ní
literally.
àtètè kọ́ṣe, the first thing that God did.
Okay. She to do.
Àtètè means what?
Initial.
Quickly. Huh? Kọ́. You say,
Call is
kọ́ṣe.
First creation.
First to, yeah, begin. First.
kosher.
Right? Àtètè kọ́ṣe. And Thursday, Ọjọ́bọ̀. Now you can do things that you didn't do on Wednesday, you can do it on Thursday. Ọjọ́bọ̀, the day arrived.
What?
Huh?
Wednesday.
Wednesday is Ọjọ́rú.
Ọjọ́rú.
And when something is ru, it's turbulence, unsettling. When they say ru,
But it could be good.
like you have sand under the water, right? You go under the water and then you trouble the sand
Yeah, it's a good thing.
and then you look at it because the water is clear. What happens? You just get cloudy.
Yeah. So to destabilize forces that may be holding you back. Who's the Wednesday here? So it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Okay.
But you don't do certain things on that day.
Look at it.
Ọjọ́bọ̀, yeah, Thursday. Ẹtì.
Eti.
Ẹtì, ọjọ́ ẹtì, ọjọ́ Friday, which is Muslims call it what?
Juma.
Ọjọ́ Jimá, right? Jimá.
So
All right.
Eti, what does Eti mean? To push.
To put something. Let me explain ẹtì. T is to push, right? push. FET.
How about close? So close.
T.
To-
Well,
Shut
that's
the
it.
door.
But in this case, it's not that.
Right.
It's to put rest on something.
Okay, I do it.
Like you put a big sack on a wall. Right? That's what I think it is. So, eti. The day that you rest, right? And you put something. So our Sunday is not our resting day. It's Ojo Isimi. That's our Sunday. That Friday will be Ojo Eti. And then
Saturday.
every 5 days they do Ifa consultation or feed Ifa. So it will be Thursday or we fall on Friday because they always count like 5 and 5 will be like 4 because they have to start a new one. You see how that mathematics work? It's different. And then I told you about 7 and 9 when woman is giving Atari alligator pepper, she eats 7. And when a man is giving alligator pepper, he eats 9. Right? Yoruba have meaning for everything. Numbers mean a lot in Yoruba stuff. Yoruba stuff, even Yoruba rhythm, there's numbers there. Right? There's number in Yoruba. When you listen to Afrobeat orchestration horns, you will hear counting there. You know, da 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 da. Da 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 5. Da 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 12. Right? 12, 5. Then they will do 8, 4, 8, 6, 8, 3, 8, 5. You'll be seeing that. Numbers. And it makes sense. If you want to put 9 there, it will not work. You say, no, the Yoruba will not dance to that. We will not move our leg to that because it will not work. Alright? T, push.